I'll play it again. Maybe it'll come back to you. Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live. We are just a few moments until the opening bell, and we have got a plunge in futures here this morning, really resuming the selling we've been seeing lately with the brief respite yesterday post-Fed. Ines Ferre is with us now. She's been watching all this action. As we get this whipsaw, I mean, this is what we have seen after the past few Fed meetings, Ines, where initially on the day of, you get a boost, and then the day after, you get a decline.
Yeah, you get a little bit of a relief rally the day of, and then, as you said, the day after is when you really see what the markets think of all of this. Let's take a look right now at our Wi-Fi interactive board as we await the opening session. We're looking at Dow, or the futures, down 562 points. The NASDAQ 100 is set to open about 2.5% lower, and the S&P 500 is set to open more than 2% lower. Taking a look at the Treasury yields, we have been watching the 5-year note up at 3.48%, the 10-year note at 1 basis points at 3.4, and the 30-year note at 3.45. Looking at the sectors under the hood where we are going to see weakness, this is the little red part is where you're seeing the pre-market action. The green is where you see yesterday's action. So we are seeing that technology is going to be lagging today. We're also taking a look at energy stocks. Those are going to lag, as well as materials. And just looking at the NASDAQ 100, we're watching Amazon is going to open lower. Tesla will open lower. I do want to point out retail because I have been watching a Kroger in pre-market. That is set to open lower. I'm just going to pull up Kroger this way so we can take a look at it. In any case, it's set to open lower. Kroger down more than about 4% in pre-market. Its results, quarterly gross margin fell from a year ago. That's overshadowing a sales beat, so watch out for the stock today, guys.